All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using a credit card, BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today on the cryptocurrency, we're going to be talking about Hamster Coin. We haven't talked about Hamster Coin in at least a month and a half. Did a few videos on it. This coin has actually been in the news. Elon Musk did a tweet on it a while back. It went up 500%. We're going to cover that article. We're going to go to the website. We're going to check out their Twitter, do a whole price prediction on it. What's going on with Hamster Coin? So, okay. Again, our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and of course, one day own some cryptocurrency. Also, we're going to be talking about the New Year's ball dropping in Times Square in the metaverse. Yep, if you can't go to New York's Times Square and you're worried about COVID and all this stuff, you can actually, on the metaverse, go ahead to Decentraland and go to Times Square for the ball dropping. We're going to kind of cover that. So it's kind of appropriate. The ball's dropping in a few days. Let's go to the metaverse. So again, on this channel, Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every single day at noon. Bonus videos are at 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock. Sometimes we have 2 bonus videos, sometimes 1, sometimes none. But every day we bring you a video at noon. Saturdays and Sundays, the videos are around 3 to 4 o'clock. All right, everybody, let's head over to Hamster Token. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, Hamster Token, Hamster Coin. Right here, this token is the 691st cryptocurrency on the planet. It's right above ERC20 token. It's basically 22% down in the last 7 days, and it's down 11% in the last 24 hours. So buying the dip, to El Salvador, how they always like to buy the dip. This could be a good opportunity. Now, Hamster's way up, 691. It was way deeper before. Clicking it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 1466. Down 11% in the last 24 hours. Looking at the last 7 days, token's been coming down a little bit, so it's going down. So we know how the waves go. When they go down, then they go up. They go down, and then they go up. So a little hamster there. Wallets. You can go ahead and have Hamster Coin on MetaMask. You can have it on a Binance Chain wallet. So either of these two, you can keep your hamster. Over here at the Twitter account, Hamster Swap. It's coming soon. The Hamster Coin, coming soon, Hamster Swap. Elon Musk takes us to Mars. Holding Hamster, earn BTC. So Hamster Swap's coming. Right here on their page, they're talking about, have you seen our new website? We're going to check out their new website here real quick. They're also talking about their roadmap, what their roadmap is in 2022. So Hamster basically has it all figured out. Hamster Swamp, Hamster Ecosystem. Going over to the new website, Hamster Coin. Here we go. Do you want financial freedom and are not affected by the negativity caused of the market fluctuation? Become part of the community. So right there's the hamster. You know, about us, the Hamster token is a decentralized meme token which was created on the BSC network. That it's otherwise the meme token in the market is that more powerful and more secure. The mission, the purpose of the Hamster token is to be a token that can be used globally with the vision to see Hamster token all exchange platform. Hamster token firstly has been successfully listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Hamster token's team, we are continuously, endlessly negotiating with exchange platforms and other business partners in order to benefit you, our loved customer. The ecosystem. Hamster Coin, that's our unlocked. In a certain period, 50% of the supply was burned for Jack, the CEO of Twitter. Another 50% of the supply was locked up in PancakeSwap. There's no main owners. All decisions have been made solely in favor of the hamster community. The Hamster Coin strives to be useful to society and work hard to be useful to the community forever. How to buy the hamster? Go to PancakeSwap. Choose your crypto wallet to connect. Number 3, choose the preferred token you want to see the price. Confirm the swap and swam. Buy the hamster. Right here on the PancakeSwap. So if you wanted to go ahead and do the BNB switch, you know, whatever you'd want to do and stuff like that. So in BNB, go ahead and put how many of these you'd want to do. And it tells you how much you're going to get. Connect your wallet. Once you hit connect, it's going to ask you to connect your MetaMask, your Wallet Connect, your Trust Wallet, or whatever wallet you're using. You know, there's the hamster again, Hamster Coin. I like the logo there, the new website. 4% BTC is redistributed to the holders. 4% is used to fuel your liquidity pool, exchange growth. And then the 4%, the BTC, is allocated to buyback marketing wallets. Advantages, we have transparency, we have community, we have trust, we have longevity. Let's head over to that article with Elon Musk a few months ago. Decided to go over to the metaverse first here. Digital currency group Jamestown partners to bring one of the Times Squares to the Decentraland metaverse. So that's right, everybody. You can actually go right here to Times Square, but on the metaverse. One Times Square photo by Jamestown. You know, so if you're not able to get out, if you're worried about COVID, the DCG is one of the largest owners of the digital real estate land in Decentraland. Jamestown is the owner of One Times Square, which is the site where New York Eve's ball dropping celebration. The metaverse is quickly evolving to bring together the most interesting and alluring parts of the favorite physical places around the world, from destinations to gaming to education to retail. I think it's really cool that you can literally go to the New York Times Square in the metaverse this year. So again, right here, we're going to be in the metaverse 2022. The ball is going to be dropping. Some people are going to be in New York. Some people are going to be at home in the metaverse. So give us your thoughts. Are you going to try to get in the metaverse this year? Are you going to try to watch the ball dropping from your computer, from your actually wearing the headphones and stuff? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So, yep, pretty interesting, this digital stuff. I mean, crypto.com right now that you can watch the Lakers play, that's changing everything. FTX with Tom Brady's changing everything. Yep, now let's go ahead and run over to Elon Musk's article. Right here, we got Elon. He's all excited, wearing the shirt. Hamster Coin increases in value by 500% after a simple comment by Elon Musk. The billionaire did it again. So this is when Hamster actually kind of first got going here. Talking about Elon Musk, the power of his words on certain crypto assets. A simple tweet from the owner of Tesla, SpaceX raised the Hamster token by 500%. So yeah, that's kind of a nice thing. You know, following the tweet, the Hamster token increased. Its sales volume exceeded 1.2 million and increased 6,000%. So yeah, Elon Musk right there. You know, all excited about the Hamster coin. And it went up 500%. The exchanges here that you can actually get your Hamster coin is xxt.com, PancakeSwap, and MEXC Global. So exchange wallets right here, Pancake, Hotbit, LA Token, LBank, xxt.com, and PancakeSwap. The last thing is the roadmap to 2022. So they already have everything lined up here. In the first quarter here coming up, they're going to start by creating the Hamster ecosystem. Then they're going to launch a Hamster Swap exchange. That's going to happen in the first quarter. They're going to start with NFT projects, merchandising integration to the own swap. They're going to start the RMD metaverse. Now everything's about the metaverse right now. And then they're going to continue to list on big CEXs. Second quarter, they have their agenda. They have their third quarter. And they have their fourth quarter here. You know, fourth quarter launch ham wallets. So they're even going to try to do a ham wallet in the fourth quarter. Second quarter, NFT launch a metaverse project, listing on one of the major exchanges. So second quarter is going to be strong for Hamster Coin. Third quarter, start the Web 3.0 on Hamster ecosystem, starting the Hamster wallet, ham wallet, and new NFT creations. All right, we're over here at CoinMarketCap. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, 1467. When they get listed on that exchange here in the second quarter, you know, my price prediction is one of these zeros is going to go away. So the Hamster, one of the zeros is going to go away. Our information is for educational purposes only, but they have a roadmap. They have where they're going, all kinds of good stuff going on. Let's go ahead and head back over the top 10, 15. All right, at number 10, Polkadot is down 7% in the last 24 hours, traded at $26. Luna is down about 6%, trading at $81. XRP is down 17% for the last 7 days. Good discount buy, 82 cents. Cardano is down 7% in the last 24 hours, $1.31. Solana is down about 5%, $170. Binance Coin is down 4%, $5.15. Ethereum's at 36.61. It's still down 4%, 7% for the week. And Bitcoin has dropped down to 46.6, down about 2%. All right, so give us your thoughts. What do you think? The Hamster Coin, definitely like this cryptocurrency. A lot of things going on with it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.